Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's LEGO Robotics. Today's video, we're going to take a look at the Seesaw, the LEGO EV3 Seesaw. You guys saw it hopefully on the video that I did last week. It was in my top 5, but I actually have one today built. Like, you can take a look at it. We're going to take a look at the program real quick, and then we're going to obviously see this really cool thing in action. So if you want to see that, stay with me.
Hino, LEGO Robotics.
Okay guys, so again, the Seesaw. I usually can determine how cool a project is when I have a team build it and I put it around my room. I'll have kids like, they'll look at it and their eyes will get big, like, what is that? This one it gets that reaction. So the Seesaw is very cool. It's another project again where it looks like, they look like two people sitting on a seesaw and they're gonna go back and forth. I'm really excited. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Okay guys, there it is, the Seesaw, teeter-totter, whatever you guys want to call that. So the thing I love again is just the way kids can look at that and go, I can see the legs, I can see the arms, and I can see that this thing is going to balance like a teeter-totter seesaw. So it's a really cool project, really fast project too, for those of you that don't have a ton of time. I had students build this in 1.5 periods. Our periods are about 50 minutes long, but I actually use up some of that for instruction. So this might be a 45 minute build. So let's go ahead and start this guy up and we'll talk about the robot. Okay, so this is gonna be one issue that you're gonna have to figure out. The program has each person with their legs coming down. So what you're gonna have to do is find the perfect sync or balance. So you're gonna have to have some patience with this, just being able to mess with it until you can get it to perfectly. I had it for a second there and now it's not. Let me try this again. So what you don't wanna do is just get overly impatient, like, this thing doesn't work. You just have to find the right, I'm balancing back in my chair here. You have to find the right balance between each person on here. There we go. There we go. Look at that. And you might end up losing it like that. And so you just try to get it back again. If this is one of those projects where you can't expect it to work perfectly every time, you'll have to find its perfect, where both are pushing off at the same time. Come on, you guys. See, I'm actually being a little impatient too. This guy on the left always seems to, it's like this guy ate too much food or something. Hang on. Okay, almost had it. You're gonna get to the point where you might get it, you might lose it. So I would just encourage you to be patient with this. There we go. Come on, keep going, guys. Here's what you don't do, and my students found this out. Don't extend the legs, because they actually found out that makes it worse when you try to make the legs go down longer. Hey, there we go. Come on, guys. This guy needs to not eat so much, because that's what I think is happening. This guy always seems to get caught in the air like he's 100 pounds lighter. So I would encourage you guys just to keep playing around with it. There you go, come on. You can see how they're trying to find out their right balance here. There you go, come on. Keep going, guys, keep going. You guys saw it, we had it for a little bit right there, huh? There we go, come on. It's a really cool project though, guys. You're just gonna have to take some time and, you know, be problem solvers. We might take some of the pieces off of that just to make him lighter. It feels like he's just a little bit too heavy, possibly. There you go. Come on, guys. Come on. Ah. It's so funny to watch this guy. Like, come on, you're not pushing good enough. Yeah, it just feels like this guy is heavier for some reason. But don't let that deter you guys. This is something that we can fix really easily by possibly, like I said, taking off some pieces to make that guy a little lighter. Maybe we put some pieces on this guy to make him a little heavier to balance out. But hey, this goes to show that, you know, these projects always, you know, they're not always perfect. So let's go to video of before when we did get this perfect. Okay, hopefully you guys love the Seesaw. It's a really cool project. Check out the link in the description. It shows you how to build it. It shows you the really easy 4-block program for it. The hardest part is, again, just getting that thing to be perfectly in sync with each other, where the legs go down, push off, legs go, push down. So if it doesn't work right away, you got to just give it a little patience and try to get it in sync, okay? Hopefully you guys like that project. I am Mr. Hino from Mr. Hino's LEGO Robotics. I'm out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.